People sometimes ask, what sort of estate planning documents do we need? And we recommend a will, a power of attorney, and a healthcare proxy/living will. And people will say, well, why do I need all of those documents? Some of the documents, the will is for when you pass away. And even though you may not have a lot of money, you may say, well, I don't need to do fancy tax planning. They're going to eliminate the estate tax. The truth is, and unless you have a will that governs how you want your property to be dispersed, you can't be sure your property is going to go to your loved ones the way you want. Also, too, you may have minor children. You may have a child that has disabilities. You may want to do a special needs trust. All of those things are important in doing a will, and that's why everybody should have a will. Now, the power of attorney and the living will and healthcare proxy, well, they help take care of things while you're still alive. A lot of people, they become elderly, or maybe they're just even out of town and they need somebody to file a tax return for them, or to make a deposit at the bank for them, to make out checks for them, pay their bills. And a power of attorney can be essential in doing that. Now, sometimes a guardianship is necessary, but oftentimes those matters can be handled with a power of attorney, and it is a much less expensive and time-consuming way to go about doing it. Same thing is true with a healthcare proxy. Who do you want to make decisions for you if you have a healthcare issue and you can't make them for yourself? This way, you get to designate what happens, and you get to give that person guidance as to what should happen if there's some sort of a life-threatening illness that you have.